Thought healing meant I wouldn't cry, that every scar would say goodbye. But some nights still feel heavy and long, and I still whisper prayers that feel half strong. I learned healing isn't feeling fine, it's learning how to breathe in time. It's getting up with tears still there, and trusting God is meeting me everywhere. It's not forgetting what broke my heart, it's letting God hold every part. Healing is peace that don't rush in, it's grace when I fall again. It's learning I don't have to pretend. Healing is letting God be my friend. It's strength that grows when I'm weak, hope that speaks when I can't speak. If this is slow, then let it be. This is the definition of healing. Healing is rest without the guilt, learning I'm loved right where I'm built. It's choosing faith on days I doubt, and trusting God knows what He's doing now. I don't need answers wrapped in light, just His presence in the night. If I'm still standing, still believing, then maybe this is what He's meaning. Healing is peace that don't rush in, it's grace when I fall again. It's learning I don't have to pretend. Healing is letting God be my friend. It's strength that grows when I'm weak, hope that speaks when I can't speak. If this is slow, then let it be. This is the definition of healing. I don't need to be whole today, I just need Him to stay. Step by step, breath by breath, He's restoring what I thought I lost in the mess. Healing is God still holding me, even when I can't see clearly. It's love that meets me where I am, not where I thought I should have been. If I'm learning, if I'm kneeling, if I'm still here and still believing, then I'm walking slowly, freely in the definition of healing. And God, if this is healing, thank You for not letting me